Inside my head there's a little place left for you. What do you know? What do you know? And all I want is to find out what you're going through. What do I know? Maybe the silence is dangerous.
Success. And we're going to do some ooh, look at those colors. I'm assuming that's where we're going to start. All right, and then while we're in here, we're actually going to replace the cam chain and the cam chain tensioner here, since I beat the shit out of that one. I should have gotten the front one as well, but the front one is very accessible, the rear one is not. So I will be doing those, inspecting bearings and all sorts of other fun things. So here we go. Sticking two of these little guys back in, getting the old extension and persuader here and banging on it a little bit. It is all magnetized, so it's gonna fool you when you go to pull it off. That it's still kind of stuck, but I was able to pop up one end and voila, it came out. And as we can see here, yeah, that bearing is, I would say, completely shot. So we're gonna continue to take this apart and see just what it has done to itself. But we can see the metal shards right here on my finger from around the inside. So this is definitely where it all came from. Fun trick in the book. And by that I mean BB blaster. Yeah, that bearing is very much seized right around here. This centerpiece is connected to this back gear, and this whole flange right here that houses the bearing comes off. So yeah, probably gonna be a stick it in the freezer and let it do its thing and nature take its course and whatnot, and we'll come back to it. And there we go. Bearing all off. If you got some tire rods and a freezer, this job is pretty easy. Just kind of wedged it under either side of this, and turned it around a bunch, and banged on it on the table, and off it came. There you can see where it was torn up, and especially if we look inside of here. Get my camera to focus. Yeah, see those little feet were just getting absolutely shredded. So that guy must have been turning the whole time and slipping sometimes, and so new one in the mail. While we go to the part, we're gonna test our oil pump capabilities. Let's see what we're looking like. Fortunately, we charged our battery up enough, so what I've done is I just pulled off the other side of the hose and it's down there drawing, and then I got the thing on the tank. power flow rate. That's pretty darn impressive. I'm pretty happy with that. That pipe is solid, so I think we were just pretty freaking far with so flowing much better now.
Do you know? Feel what's inside you. I wanna come over and see what you found. See if you're hurting.
Idea of how bad our last timing chain was. This is makes me laugh now. The tensioner I had to fashion just to show you how much slack we've picked up with a new tight chain. That much. That is tight. As you can see the chain hopping down there. So yeah, I'm gonna go fish that old tensioner back out, and that might have been the cause of a lot of our issues for quite some time. Oh, sounds good.